Very good afternoon. And what language have you opted to be interviewed in your English? And you are educated in Mayurbhanj School of Engineering, then the high school. What is that high school? PK Girls High School.
Sir, MPK Girls High School.
What is that?
So, Maharani Prem Kumari Girls High School. At Varipata, sir.
Is it something so special? I mean, like UNO kind of thing that everybody should know its abbreviation?
No,
Then you expect it that we are lacking in that general knowledge? Okay, don't get nervous.
Be comfortable.
You are from the engineering background, isn't it? And your stream of engineering is civil engineering. Hmm? What are the areas that the civil engineer really looks after?
So, as my background equips me with analytical and problem solving skills, and I can easily detect any infrastructural challenges in development of infrastructure. So, I think I can ensure a better infrastructure development. Sir.
You mean civil engineering. I asked what are the areas that the civil engineering actually looks after, takes into account within its scope.
Sir,
You are not synonymous with civil engineering.
sir, infrastructure development. Sir.
Infrastructure development.
Yes.
Then infrastructure means airports.
Airport, road and transportation,
Uh-huh.
and water resource like construction of dams, barrages,
Hmm.
and other aspect like correctly got this.
Okay. Should we say that civil engineering is an obsolete engineering?
Yes, we can say.
Hmm?
Yes.
You should
Obsolete
say-
engineering. Obsolete means ଆଉ କିଛି କାମ ଦବନି
No, sir.
ପୁରୁଣା ହେଇଗଲାଣି
ମାନେ ଭୁଲ ବୁଝିଦେଲି sir.
Okay. So, what are the new areas or the developments, the latest developments, technologically, quality wise, whatever you can say, that we see in civil engineering?
So, in current scenario, civil engineering has a wider aspect in climate change. Sir. So we can go for sustainable infrastructure development. For example, green building and green concrete. And in current scenario, we are facing urban flooding. Sir. So we can use various methodology to control urban flooding.
What are these various?
So,
Suppose you did mention the green technology in civil engineering.
yes, sir.
Give us some examples and explain that green technology.
So, in terms of green buildings, in green building we are using green concrete, which is basically recycled concrete and recycled aggregate and sand. And we are using is that in cement the main constituent is lime, and usually we are using opc 33, 43 and 53 grade cement in our general construction. So we can opt for other cement alternative. For example, fly ash based cement, or in recent time there is also a trend of using geofiber in cement. And in terms of in green building, we are using maximum to maximum in a design based approach, so that we can opt for natural lighting, air, and we are using also materials which can control the control or minimize the temperature.
No. I fail to understand what you explained. The green building. You said just the recycled material is green building.
No, sir, it is only aspect of it.
Huh?
Only one
No,
ingredient.
you explain. This is your area. I know.
Yes,
You
sir.
are a civil engineer. You are working in the field of quality management and analysis. So you have to explain me what is green building. You just touched one point. Okay, recycle materials. So it is a kind of sustainability and causing less loss to the ecology.
Yes,
That
sir.
I can understand. Any other thing?
So, using solar, sir, using solar plant and we can for
Yes, about energy.
energy and
It must be energy efficient.
energy efficient. For what quality water management, sir, we can use grey water,
Rainwater harvesting.
rainwater harvesting and grey water. sir.
Yes.
And we can insert recharge breeds in building area in building area, and also we can use,
Go vertical instead of horizontal.
yes,
So you have to note down everything.
yes,
Hmm? Okay. Tell me, you know, Uriya Asmita kind of thing.
yes,
Huh?
yes,
ओडिया को बाहर किए जाने कौन पे जानिबे माने what do you in your understanding Odia Asmita means what?
it is an essence of pride of our language, tradition, culture.
माने कूपमंडिक आमे निजे निजे आम निज ड्रम को पिटिबा जे आमे ओडिया आमे बढ़िया आमे सबुठू भल ए तो
ना सर एटा कहा जाई परिबो कि आमे हमर जो लैंग्वेज एको आमे दुनिया आगरे आनिबा कि केमिति हमर ओडिया ट्रेडिशन कोन ओडिसा रो कल्चर कोन ओडिसा रो डाइवर्सिफाइड जहा लैंग्वेज ए सब आमे लोकलोचन को आनिबा सर
कहा कोठी के आनिबा व्हाई शुड बिकॉज आमे यदि बाहर को जाउचे हम तो ओडिया रे भी कथा होने इमिडिएटली आमे इंग्लिश और हिंदी रे कथावार्ता होचे एटा तो ओडिया रो गोटे दिस इज द माने ओडिया पीपल यूज्ड टू बिहेव लाइक दिस
यस
हाँ ना नहीं
यस सर
ओके नंबर 1 नंबर 2 होचे धर आमे ओडिसा बाहर को जिबा
आगे सर
तो कौन करवा जाय कि केमती ओडिया अस्मिता बोली कौन कहिबा माने ओडिसा भितरे कहिले आमे ओडिया अस्मिता ना ओडिसा बाहर हमको जानिले ओडिया अस्मिता
सर मो हिसाब रे दी डायरेक्शन रे सर
हाँ
जदि आम ओडिशा भितर भी आमर ओडिशा माने निजर अस्मिता रहा दरकार और बाहर भी मध्य जो जेमिति आम लैंग्वेज हो गला तमिल हो गला तेलुगु हो गला ए लैंग्वेज गुड़ाक माने काइंड ऑफ वर्ल्ड वाइड रिकॉग्निशन मिली जाइछ बट ओडिशा ओडिया को एतेटा रिकॉग्निशन मिलिनी तो
किए रिकॉग्निशन दबो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन देइछि
हां कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन रे अछि
तापरे
सर जनरली जमती बेंगलोर हो गला जो माने भी चाहउछंती से बट यूजुअली से माने ओडिया न कहि कि इंग्लिश कहउछंती
तो ओडिया भाषा कहि देले ओडिया अस्मिता इज प्रोटेक्टेड
No, sir. It's not about language, sir. It is. It has like our traditions, sir. Our culture, sir. It is also the part of.
ट्रेडिशन के भूल जाइछि कि हम तो जहाँ ट्रेडिशन अछि तो करूचे तो हाउ कैन वी से दैट ओडिशा अस्मिता इज एट स्टेक बाहरे कूल डाउन
Yes.
बाहरे
I guess.
how can the people know that Odisha is great? Or somebody can say that this is from Odisha.
So we can publish more numbers of books in Odisha.
Huh?
more numbers of Odia books and
अरे ना धर तुम जगन्नाथ संस्कृति जदि कहल समस्ते कहबे एटा ओडिशार बोली
हाँ सर
संबलपुरी तुमर कहल समस्ते कहबे ओडिशार बोली पखाल कहल समस्ते कहबे ओडिशार ना एटा कहबे रसगोला कहल कोटिकार कहबे
Odisha
तो एथुरु तो लोक माने जाउछन्ती ओडिशार सब सेमती तुम कल्चर क्षेत्र रे कोनटा अछि
culture क्षेत्र सर
नहीं
ଡ୍ୟାନ୍ସ ମ୍ୟୁଜିକ୍
अरे हमर ओडिसी नृत्य
हाँ
नहीं
सर और कल्चर क्षेत्र रे dance
भजन जणाण सब नहीं
हाँ सर ओडिसी नृत्य अछि आउ संबलपुरी नृत्य अछि छौ नृत्य मध्ये अछि आउ जदि हमें
बास ठीक अछि आसिलो बाटुको आसिलो वर्तमान कुह ओडिशा बाहर एमती किछि जन ओडिया अछंती तांको नै कि हमें गर्वित
हाँ सर
किए किए से माने
सर एबे हमर जो आईपीआई रो
ओडियार जो अस्मिता कथा कुहा होची
सर
तुमको जने पचारला
सर
जे तमर ओडियार लोक माने बाहर मध्य रहिचंती अछंद ना नाही
सर
तो सेठी तांकु केही कहूचे कि एटा बेंगल अस्मिता तुमको एठी किछि जगह नाही अस्मिता एटा जने पचारि पारिबो तुमको इज अस्मिता क्वेश्चन वेरी parochial against the national interest जदि के पचारे be prepared for that okay हाँ
अच्छा तुमर ये कंप्लीट करिछ आर्यन इंस्टीट्यूट कोठी
सर जटणी पाखरे
जटनी पाखर
ए खोर्धा बाटर गला को अच्छा
अच्छा यू हैव कंप्लीटेड योर डिग्री इन बीटेक सिविल इंजीनियरिंग
यस सर
अच्छा सिविल इंजीनियरिंग इज कंसीडर्ड एज द मदर ऑफ ऑल इंजीनियरिंग
यस सर
studying that you are now planning to join OAS
यस सर
what is the reason you could have pursued your career in civil engineering
Yes, sir. So, so my background in civil engineering is actually when I was working in this organization as a civil engineer, I'm currently working. I realized that whatever the impact I'm trying to create is beyond the technical solutions. So, if civil service offers a wider aspect in terms of poverty eradication, malnutrition, etc. So, I think I can cope up with this, and while combining my civil engineering knowledge, in together we can improve the rural development. Sir.
you are now working as a junior engineer in quality assurance under chief engineer quality assurance
Yes, sir.
what sort of quality you assure
So, for any construction, the most important aspect of it is ensuring that the quality of the materials we are using. So, in quality assurance, wherever
nowadays we mark that in the overbridge in the national highway after construction of few months it gets damaged but then what sort of quality is assured recently in Bihar 8 to 10 bridges have been collapsed if quality was maintained then why it happened
sir, actually, main actual reason is that not each and every time that engineers are being present at the at working place. So usually, what our quality assurance team is doing that we make a sudden visit to the site and we check the ingredients like fine.
suppose I'll just check you here
Yes, sir.
is it necessary that you will be watching the things 24/7
So it is actually.
you can put up the machine there
So yes, sir. But in machine we can't.
machine means what machine
So like.
CCTV computer doing everything
Sir, there is a problem, sir.
there is a problem
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
If we set up a CCTV camera, so we can't
You cannot
actually
check the-
actually check that the
quality
of the cement. Suppose they will change the quality of cement.
so you can see it at any point of time and you can catch hold of the contractor
Yes, sir. That is what.
everything is visible on record?
Yes, sir. But initially, that quality assurance team at first of the starting of the any project, they first check.
Do admit that it is because of the tacit connivance with the contractor it is happening.
Yes, sir.
Number 2, negligence.
Yes, sir.
Number 3, there is ulterior motive.
Yes, sir.
So don't take shelter under something else. Face the issue up front.
Yes, sir.
Achha, how many field visits you have made during your short tenure as junior engineer quality control?
So currently,
You have not gone to any site.
sir, is in chief engineer office. We usually deal with in file procedure, like whoever our
You have not made any field
no,
visit.
sir, no, sir. I usually check the report they have sent.
Achha. You are from Mayurbhanj.
Yes,
Where is Sitakund?
sir, Sitakumar is around 29 kilometers.
Where?
Sir, in Simlipal, sir.
Simlipal in Sitakund.
Yes,
You
sir.
please check. No, it is not in Sitakund. Under which block? You please, you give civil service question. Please check.
Yes, sir.
Another thing that you have chosen home science as your subject. So who is the father of home science? Who has brought this subject? You do not know. You are appearing for home science.
No, sir, actually.
If one will tell you that please convince us what is home science within 2-3 sentences, what will be your answer?
Sorry, sir.
What is home science? You please tell us within 2-3 lines.
So, home science is a multidisciplinary subject which is spanning across subjects like food and nutrition, child development, human development, textiles, extensive educations, etc.
Extensive education to whom?
So, those who lacked education, mostly in rural areas.
It is extensive education, extension education.
Extension education, sir.
Acha. You have which newspaper you are going through every day?
Mostly Hindu, sir.
Hindu. Who is the editor of Hindu? Where from it is being published? You do not know, but you are reading Hindu.
हिंदू किए कहिछि पढ़िया पई
सेटा तो कोई होनी
नै तथा किए
संगे हिंदू समस्त हिंदू
समस्त कहउछन
हिंदू संगे टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया भी पढंतु
किए
हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स ऑफ पढंतु
just for our information.
Sir, किए कहे ना
But all the candidates they are reading
केही
Hindu.
गोटे जने भी कहि नांती
Sir, to be very honest, whenever we are referring to any articles, they are mostly published in Hindu. So we are referring to Hindu mostly because of this
Nee,
reason.
not bad. But don't be biased by one editor.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
you should read 2-3 newspapers.
The issue has multi dimensions.
Yes, sir.
So the other perspective that we are also supposed to know, isn't it?
When will the presidential election of America take place?
Sorry.
America president election in every 4 years it takes place.
Yes.
When the next election, when it will be taken place?
This sure, sir.
President of America election, USA.
Yes.
The presidential election of USA
Namaskar.
is going to take place when?
Sir, no.
You do not know. This is a major international event
Yes, sir.
going to happen within 2-3 months.
Sir,
Please
I
go through.
this year only, but I didn't remember about the month, sir.
You do not remember the month.
No, sir.
You remember the date.
No, sir. Actually,
You are not aware of this thing.
No, sir.
In India, some states elections are going to happen. Which are the states within 2-3 months?
Sir, Haryana and Jammu and Kashmir.
How? How कोटा?
Sir, Punjab, Haryana, Jammu and Kashmir.
पंजाब तो नहीं
Haryana, sir.
ये हरियाणा का फिर पंजाब मिशी दिला पंजाब तो हमारा नहीं हरियाणा जम्मू कश्मीर एंड झारखंड वो the early
पंजाब हरियाणा दीटा ना गोटे स्टेट गोटे ना
Sir, Dita, sir.
दीटा स्टेट
No, sir.
आर यू श्योर
Yes.
the capital कोटा
Capital, sir, Chandigarh.
Chandigarh. Whether it is independent or it is within Punjab or it is within Haryana. Chandigarh.
Sir, I think it is in.
It is a union territory. It is neither in Punjab, it neither
No,
in
sir.
it is being administered independently. You should be sure. Please go through some of the papers. You should develop your current affairs. You are lacking in it. ठीक है कौन पचारନ୍ତି?
अच्छा पूर्व गवर्नमेंट आम जोटा आहार योजना थिला बर्तमान तार नुआ ना कौन है
Three on.
ओके